The LWS long neck angle grinder, a powerful yet fine tool for the fine job, ideal for ambitious tool making, mould manufacture, various automotive engineering tasks, and many other conceivable applications. The scope of delivery includes a high-grade corundum grinding disc, a fan sanding disc, and a fabric-reinforced cutting disc. A matching Allen key for easy replacement is also included. A slim gear head made of die-cast aluminium makes for the device's universal application and superior versatility. Just perfect for users who frequently need to work in confined spaces. You'll get to appreciate the slender form and brawny power of the LWS. Ideal for working steel, non-ferrous metal, glass, ceramics, wood, and plastic. For cutting, rough machining, grinding, precision grinding, polishing, fine polishing, and shaping wood. An adjustable hood is responsible for ensuring operator safety. Finally, we also offer plenty of grinding discs for all sorts of tasks. It all comes down to abrasives. Naturally, versatility is made possible only by our wide range of useful accessories. There is hardly a task for which our grinder cannot be equipped with an appropriate disc. Slight bulges in the workpiece can be compensated by means of our rubber backing disc. It is equipped with a Velcro lining, allowing the use of our corundum sanding discs or of a special sanding fleece. Last but not least, we would like to present our rasp plate with metal burrs. It performs amazingly, achieving truly sensational removal rates for materials such as wood and plaster. Though no abrasive but still very useful, our Micromot device holder for convenient clamping in a vise. Not only handy for the LWS. The LWS long neck angle grinder comes in a storage case made of high quality polypropylene. It is attractive, extremely stable, and spacious enough to permit the uncomplicated storage of the machine again after you've finished work. A side label identifies the contents. PROXXON, tools with character.